Welcome to this video on how to request a service with the NBCC service desk. So the first thing we're going to do is just go to nbcc.freshservice.com, and then in the upper right hand corner of the screen we'll press the login button and log in with our NBCC account. And so once we're logged into the support portal homepage, there's going to be an option here to request a service. So if you ever require any information, you need help with a setup, or you need access to some kind of a service or any software installed on your computer, this is the option that you're going to choose. And so if you choose request a service, it's going to bring you in here to the service catalog, and there's going to be a whole bunch of options here. So it's kind of like a shopping cart type of experience. So if, for example, I want to get Pull Everywhere software installed on my computer, I can go down through the list of options right here, and I can see that the most applicable option here would be under Software and Applications. And then I can see there's an option right here to request software. So the other option to help find what you're looking for is if you have maybe trouble navigating the service catalog here, at the top of the screen here, there's going to be a search option right here. And so if I click in the search box, it's going to open this window here, and I can just type in the word software, and then those service items will come up right here. And so if I want to request some software to be on my computer, I can just choose the request software here, and it'll bring me to the same area as if I was to select this option from the service catalog. And so now I just need to fill out the form. So for the location, I would just fill in my office location here and my room number here. Now, if you're, for example, working from home, you would choose the closest NBCC location to where you are. And if you don't have an office number, you can just put a series of zeros in. You would select the software that you want installed. So if I need Pull Everywhere, I can select that. Otherwise, if the software is not listed here, for example, you could choose Other, and then fill in the software and the details. But for the demonstration, I'll just choose Pull Everywhere. And you can choose multiple software, but again, I'm just going to choose this one. And then at the bottom of the screen here, I'm going to press the Place Request button. And so once I do that, it'll verify the items that I'm requesting here. It'll verify the requester email. So if you're requesting this on someone else's behalf, I can check off Request for Someone Else and fill in their email here. But for the demonstration, I am requesting the software for myself. And then I'm just going to press the Confirm button here at the bottom of the page, and then it'll submit this request. And so once you've placed your request, you will receive a confirmation email from the NBCC service desk, and it will just acknowledge that your request was received. It'll give you your ticket number, and that a support rep will be in touch with you within the next 24 hours usually, and a link here to view the status of your ticket. You can also go and log back into the NBCC service desk page. And once you log into the service desk page, you can scroll down here to the bottom of the page where you can view your open tickets. Now in there, you'll be able to see your ticket. You'll be able to see that it is being processed. And if you click on the information here, it'll also give you the ability to go in here. You can see the ticket right here. There'll be an option to press the reply button to reply to the ticket from here. And you can see that an agent is working on the ticket. You'll be able to scroll down here and see who it's been assigned to, the location, room number, all that information there. And so if you ever want to close the ticket, you can just click on this Mark Ticket as Closed option, and this will close the ticket. So this concludes the video on submitting a request to the NBCC service desk